In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of MetaTrader 5 app. If you've been looking for a traditional sign out button in MetaTrader 5 and can't find it, you're not missing anything. MT5 handles logout a little differently. Instead of a standard logout option, you sign out by removing the account from the app. Don't worry, this does not delete your trading account with your broker. It simply disconnects the app on your phone from that account, which is exactly what you want if you're securing a shared device or switching profiles. Start by opening the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone. From here, the next steps depend on whether you're using Android or iPhone. On Android, tap the menu icon in the top corner to open the navigation panel, then choose Manage Accounts. On iPhone, tap Settings at the bottom, then tap Accounts. You'll now see the list of accounts that are currently added to your MT5 app, including the one you're logged into. Find the account you want to log out of. On Android, press and hold that account until options appear. On iPhone, swipe left on the account to reveal the action menu. In both cases, tap Delete or Remove. If you're asked to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. The moment you do this, you've effectively logged out of MT5 on your phone. You'll be taken back to the accounts area, and you'll no longer be connected to that trading account in the app. A quick reminder here, MT5 doesn't include a dedicated logout button like many other apps. Removing the account from the app is the official way to sign out. Your account remains safe with your broker. It isn't closed or deleted by this action. You're simply unlinking this device from that login. Before you remove the account, it's a good idea to make sure you have your login details handy, including your login, password, and the correct server name from your broker. That way, if you want to sign back in later, it's quick and easy. When you're ready to log back in, open MetaTrader 5, go to the Accounts area, and tap Add Account. Enter your login, your password, and select the proper server provided by your broker. Once you confirm, you'll be connected again and ready to trade. That's all there is to it. Open MT5, go to the Accounts section, remove the account, and you're logged out. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to keep your credentials secure so you can jump back in whenever you need.